HumbleFx. This is HumbleFx, and this is the Thunderbolt robot here on this account. This is Thunderbolt robot at work. This is a live account, and let's check another account. Let's check few account right here, and it's working on even a small account. This is it on a smaller account, guys. So it will work on any account size, $10 and above. This is the Thunderbolt robot, guys. This is the Thunderbolt robot. This is another account. We are also in the trade here right here, and about to take profits. This is Thunderbolt, guys. This is Thunderbolt. Look at it here. Right, this is just trying to show you guys a review of that, and this is so far today in this account. $25 already made in that account. Now let me check other accounts. I have other accounts here. I don't know other accounts right here I have to check on. So this one too is also working, is also actively going on. Thunderbolt robot, see that very accurate. This is actually accounts funded with $19. We have already made 24 already, and it's going. This is Thunderbolt, guys. This is Thunderbolt. Let's check another account. Let's check another account. Thunderbolt, guys. Thunderbolt robots at work right here. Thunderbolt at work. See that it's already made here. There's $8 already so far. So good. So far so good. It will take profit as soon as possible. So let's just wait for that TP to happen. So you see that we have great profits in this. This is actually the real deal. We need to get this robot. This is already made $14 done and dusted in that account with Thunderbolt robot. If you check on the reverse from the 12th till 16th, so far so good. We have 296, right? That is crazy, guys. That is crazy amount of money made so far with this robot. So guys, get your own now and start making money with it. Get your own now and start making money with it. Enjoy.